Ka MLA ka NPP na su tengah saipung ka kong Santa Mary Syllad ha ka arpuway trik yayong kalaong baka East Giant Hills kala let pai biang shouts nam arjar kat sound namar ka jing beteng ban khang ya ka jing ti doyong kala ktah jori ka kamay ka ji jong ki hajar ki longiing da ka ba Kyntu ya ka sorkar tlabat sorkar pedeng ban thawi ki kyndon na ka benta ka kam ti doyong barit barya kat kum ka juk start sayen namar ka rukam ti da ka open cast mining kadai ka baram dor palan bar ka bamla ban katbor ban trey hapo ka district ka East Giant Hills ka shania tali haw doyong la ka long direct ni indirect baro ni shania haka kam doyong ong ka kong santa haba benrap pa kinong shong shnong kilamat ka jing e haka liang ka yok kan bat ngila Kyntu ya ka jing tuklar lam jong ka sorkar ban penstat ya ka jing ti doyong kat kum ka juk sayen kala ong bakinong shong shnong gila pha ik dor khas yaw menteri rangba bat ki arngut ki sumbut menteri rangba hadin ka rally ka bala long hak hinyo trik yayong da ka bagdo baki jing ai wai bala pli menta ki long ki baram dor palan bat ki bomla ban kot bor hakathan ke jungi namar bangila le da ka rukam ti thliu khnai rat hole mining mentala slamba bat ki brio ki kwa ya kata ni hap nyu iye kelat ka babhatam kata ka baduna jinglot berkebastat tam kala ong ru baka jinglong jingman kala nang sniu wat la pli ka jingti doyong kat kum ka an ling baka chalan baka jing di lilam kham hashwa ka ktah joria ka kamai ka ji jong ki pai ba na do snam arjar khat saw na do pala khang da ka NGT Henry kala kham ktah shu shu menta namar ka long kumba ngilet phai biang menta shah arjar khat saw menta la khang dam pura namar ka sorkar klabut iki kyndon jong ka an kala banram ka kong santa kala ong baka sorkar kala penbor ka jingti doyong kat kum ka juk jing start sayen na do usnam arjar khat phra bat kala job pen pentre kam meka Henry ka jingbun jong ka jinglut kadang long ka jing khanglan.
Yes, it is affecting the livelihood of the people since 2014, as you know it very well. But it's affecting now worse because it's like we're going back to 2014 now. Yes, it was going on with this legally, with challan and auction and all those things were there. But right now it's totally closed is because the government is following up the laws and order. And also the government has taken up, firstly, I think since this government since 2018 they have been trying for scientific mining in SJDLs. They have also succeeded. But there are also demerits in a way that it's quite expensive. That is the only thing. Otherwise, it's fine for, the government has done a lot actually because they're trying to make everything, to legalize everything so that people not face problem even in the roads, anywhere as such. It will just go on as it is like before, but in a legal way. So government has done it. They have already done the scientific mining, but there are demerits with this scientific mining since it's very expensive, and our people had done that rally on the 7th of April. So they're asking for alternative solution for another scientific mining, so that this will not, the open cast mining may be the first one and the second one can be the other alternative scientific mining. As you know that Syllad Hills is fully dependent on coal. Directly, indirectly, we are all depending on coal. And as the government has already given 4 mining lists in the state and 2 in Syllad Hills. Of course, there are holders with this coal mining, which we have already been received by the government. But our people in Syllad Hills are facing a lot of problems financially. It's because after the 5th of February, that incident that happened there, we know that a lot of laws and orders are there, but still our people still are requesting the government to see and look into the loopholes in the Syllad Hills and to fast track this scientific mining in East Kyntu Hills. And not only with this present mining list that they have received, there are our people are already proposing the alternative what do you call it, the alternative mining list that they can help the people to, as you know that the present mining list, it's an open cast. But now our people have proposed, they have sent memorandum to the Chief Minister, to our both the Deputy Chief Minister, to see the other alternative scientific mining for a low cost. So therefore our people are requesting that if they can, give the guidelines and, they urge the central government that they can see the other alternative of scientific mining so that people can start doing the mining in a legal way. Because of course coal mining has been not there for the past say maybe 20-25 years, maybe 50 years also, long time back. Traditional mining was never there. But what the meeting was there on 7th of April, the rally, what they had was that to urge the government to find another solution for scientific mining, not to open cast mining, as it is very expensive and it's not feasible for our area. Because since we have been practicing red hole mining for a very long time, and people are, they avail with that only, not other scientific mining. So therefore, our people they urge the government of Meghalaya and also the government of India that to take another alternative solution to open the coal mining in East Kyntu Hills. The environmental destruction is there, but that was the first step that the government has taken. And then there are so many ways, there are so many different kinds of scientific mining. Could be that pillar kind of, I don't know what it called exactly. The pillar, the trainway, whichever. So many are there. There are so many category of scientific mining. So in that way, we have to see the best. We have to see the best solution. We have to see the low cost. We have to also look that the fastest that however the scientific mining can be brought in East Kyntu Hills.